Have a bunch of tomatoes in my backyard, and the coons and the raccoons, the possums, everything else gets at them. Well, I put up a electric fence around them, and that seems to be keeping them out, but I don't like them back there, so I set a trap and to trap them. Last year I caught 7 possums, 5 coons, a groundhog, and 1 squirrel back there in that big trap, using peanut butter and raw peanuts in the shell, and I dispatch them. But I've been watching a YouTube video, and this guy, I forget what his name is, showed a chicken maggot dispenser, do it yourself. So this morning there was a big old coon in my trap, so I dispensed with him. He's in that bag right there, plastic bag. I've assembled all the stuff that I need. By the way, the peanut butter there in my feed shed down here, chicken feed shed. The last time I was up here, there's a big old rat went scurrying away, and so I put my rat trap in there and baited it with peanuts. Somehow he beat it, and all the peanut butter was gone, and the trap had sprung. So I'm going to reset it. Maybe it'll get him this time. But yeah, that's what the peanut butter's for. But what I intend to do is make a tripod and put it together. I think I got all materials here. I had to measure. I'm going to cut this one in half and then cut this one to make 3 equal legs. I'm going to put it together, put 2 of them together with this, and then the third one at an angle, screw it in there. Got my trusty 550 cord, parachute cord, and my worst bucket for hauling rocks up to my place at the lake. It's about to fall apart, so I'm going to drill holes in this sucker right here and put this coon in there, strap it to that, and put it in the chicken pen. That way, in a few days, the chickens will have their own maggot feeder. Okay, let's get started here. See how far this thing is here. This old bucket here is all right. That should do. That's done. Holes in, that should be enough holes for the flies to get in there and the maggots to crawl out. Just like this, not gonna, it's high enough for them to, this is gonna be perfect. Let's see, I can always shorten it if that's not high enough. All right, clean up all my stuff, put the coon in there, the top on, take it to the chickens. It is, ladies. In a few days, you're gonna be so happy to have maggots just coming out of there, and you just be having fun.